When it comes to cropping your images, you'll have plenty of options for how you want to crop it, and mostly that depends on the final output of your image. But you don't just have to stick to the standard settings when cropping, so here are my tips for using the crop tool in Lightroom. First up, the short key. In the develop module, hit the R key and this brings up the crop overlay and opens up the crop options on the right hand side. With these options you can change the ratio of your crop, change the aspect from portrait to landscape or the other way around, and loads of other choices are available too. Straight up, Lightroom comes with a load of typical use options for your crop, so things like 10:8 for print, 16:9 for screen, A4 and so on. But if you want to do something a little more custom, then just hit this little padlock symbol. This allows you to do any crop ratio that you wish, meaning you can crop the shot down to what is based in the subject or your actual output. One of my favourite little tips with the crop tool is to hit the O key. This allows you to cycle through different overlays and moves you away from that overly stuck to rule of thirds. And finally, once you've selected your crop, you can also rotate and sort out that wonky horizon, or just to get a different take on your shot. There are two ways to do this. First, if you hover your cursor outside the crop, this little double arrow appears. Click it and drag and this allows you to rotate your image. The second way is to hit this little spirit level tool, then click on one part of your horizon and then click a second section on the other side, and this straightens out your image. I hope you picked up some useful little tips from this delve into the crop tool. Do make sure you check out the rest of the series with Wex Photo Video.